Guys, we got a message shop today, but I just want to give y'all a quick video. I was doing these juice screws. I already did 3 of them, 3 boards. Check them out, by the way. Bam. So man, it's pretty simple. Just get a board underneath, and then just make you some L's. First, what you want to do is my router's a lot bigger, so just set your router. So see, I have my my router on here, and as you can see in here, you can bring your bit down and see where it's gonna land, and if that's a good spot for you, then you'll just measure. You'll have this board right here, and just enough where it can hit up against it as a fence, and you'll just measure from right there to right there. See, that's what, 2 1/4, a little bit less, and that's where you'll cut this one as. And then you can glue them. I just needed this quick, so I just brad nailed them in. And you want to have them longer in case you need to do longer boards, but also so that way they can butt up. So this the setup right here. So you'll have this one coming out, and then this one will butt up against there. For this one, adjust the width of the board. See how I have it matching up right there. And then this one over here will be for the length, but really most of the time what you gotta do is just get it cornered, set the length on this one. This one's gonna be longer, and so all you gotta do after you get that one screwed in, or this one or that, whichever one, set the length, and then make sure it's square, corners touching as good as possible. It's pretty tight up here, a little bit gap up here, but nothing I'm too concerned about. But it's pretty much all butted up. Once you got these two cornered out and it's square, then keep the board pressed firm against the corner, and then put this board or this one, whichever one, and then all you do is you go down. The tip is just to go down little bit by little bit, where you just take a little bit off every time. You don't want to make a full juice groove in just one run. You want to make at least, like, I think 3 or 4 passes, and it's quick to adjust, or at least this one is. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just make about 3 or 4 passes, because if you take off too much at one time, I think you can get some pretty bad tear out. Not only that, but you'll get it'll burn the wood, and those burn marks are really hard to get out, especially if you're just trying to sand it out, which you're gonna have to do with the juice grooves, because you can't get in there with the sander. You just mess up your juice groove. So yeah, little tips right there, guys. I just thought I'd share that with y'all. We are actually doing 4 of these cutting boards right now for a realtor. So it's a pretty cool little job I just picked up over the end of my week last week. So it was pretty cool. But yeah, guys, hopefully that helps. I just want to make it quick. There you go. Hope that video helped y'all out. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. The likes help my videos get out to other people, shows YouTube that I'm making some quality videos that are actually helpful to people.